The someone asks to you, which is the biggest capital of your, and what you are thinking in reply, and nothing but you can thinking only about this is our biggest capital is your mind. Your mind is the biggest capital rather than any type of what have you and how much you have, a lot of money, gold, whatever. And what happening if you have a lot and biggest capital of the world? So why are you not using it, and why are you searching for other type of capital like money? So if you are thinking that why am I watching this video and why am I listening this, and what is the main purpose of making this video, so let's tell about it. My main purpose of making this video, I want to record myself and I want to check my English speaking fluency. That's why I am doing it. Today we will discuss about our biggest capital is our mind, then why we need to wealth like money, gold, whatever like that is physical. So today if you are searching a world news or international news and you are saying, then you must watch Iran, Russia, America. These all countries fight each other and war each other. In this country, what's happening? Someone is showing the power of on missile. Someone is showing the ballistic missile, and other is showing the drone missile, and drone explosive things. What about India? You can think we have a very weak in atomic and nuclear bomb rather than America, rather than Iran, rather than Iraq, rather than Rus. And you can never think about it also, we can less amount of nuclear bomb rather than Pakistan. You can think about which is the very less area from our India, and also the total GDP is also less than from India, but he have a much missile and much nuclear bomb have Pakistan. So what about India? Why we have not like this type of what happens? What will happen when fighting and when someone is attacking on India? What you give reply? You can sitting one by hand. You are moving, keep silent, or you are giving any the same reply like that, whatever you giving any type of problem. So what we should do, and what should you tell me, and we will meet in the next time with some new exciting topic. And don't forget, we becoming the power of India. Bye bye and take care.